Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to log in TikTok Lite account. For that, open the TikTok Lite application. Once you're at this page, you tap on the Me on the bottom right to go to the profile section. As you are not logged in, you first need to log in. So tap on already have an account, log in. Sure, you have the option to log in with phone, email, username. And the other are continue with Facebook, continue with Google, continue with Twitter. If you have linked these social media platform with TikTok Lite, you can just tap on that and get logged in easily. But here we're gonna go with the email process. So tap on the top option, tap that. Now tap on the email and username. Here you provide the username or the email address of your account. Below you type in the password and then tap on login. And with that, you will be logged in into the account of yours. So this is how you can log in into the TikTok Lite account of yours. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.